Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll master the art of conditional statements, a crucial skill for writing dynamic and efficient code. Imagine you're developing a weather app that recommends activities based on the current temperature. You will make conditional statements to determine which activity to suggest based on the temperature range. Conditional statements allow your code to make decisions based on specific conditions. In Python, we have three main condition statements: if, elif, and else. Now let's move on to the live example on Python Notebook. Here in the Python code, let's see how conditional statements are written and executed. In this example, this variable, which is declared a value of twice, we're using if, elif, and else statement to validate the value within temperature and accordingly execute certain statements. As you see on the screen, if temperature is equal to 25, it would pass the first condition and the second condition, and it would move to the third condition. And accordingly, the appropriate print statement will be displayed. Suppose we change the temperature to a different value. You see, there could be a particular statement gets triggered, and appropriately, the particular activity will be recommended. You could create a weather app based on conditional parameters, and it could be very useful for you to recommend the right activity to end users. So as you see on the screen, we can use conditional statements to embed specific actions. We could either store information in a variable or print information as you go by. When the temperature value is changed from 25 to -5, the recommended activity will move from enjoy the sun and go for a swim to stay indoors and keep warm. Additional statements are true fortune tellers. They can really predict the future. In the next lecture, we'll explore loops, another essential flow control tool in Python. You will learn how to use for and while loops to execute code repeatedly while making your programs more efficient and powerful. In this lecture, we learned about conditional statements in Python and how to use if, elif, and else to make decisions based on conditions. Apply conditional statements to real-world scenarios. Now that you've mastered conditional statements, it's time to move on to loops. See you in the next lecture. Like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's build a strong Python community together.